Okay, here's what you need to solve the fridge freezing water line problem. What we need is a syringe, um, copper tubing that you can buy on Amazon. This one. If you see here, it got a hole in it. See that? Yeah, there's a hole. It's a tube, and this kind of what you call dispensing needles. We need the this size, the 12 gauge size, that size, and then we put it. We put that. We file this top here with like sandpaper just to make it smooth, because we're gonna put that. We're gonna slide it into the water tubing in the fridge that gets the fresh water, and then we need to put that. We need Teflon, this and this and this. Now we put the we go to the other side. We put the Teflon on it. There you go. I think that's it. So now we move the needle in the same direction of how we wrapped it. It's like this. Alright. Now we go fill this with warm water. Now we need to put it in the fridge. Now if you see, it's on water here. It doesn't get any water. Now what we need to do is first this tubing, after we file it, so it's easy, we get inside and we go inside the tube here and try to get it in, like go back and forth multiple times. So definitely gonna hit some ice. Now after that we're gonna put some rag under there because it may get some water. Now put this in the dispensing like that and try to push water. All right, here we go. Again. Try to push all the hot water to meet the ice so it will melt the ice. I don't want it to make it. There you go again. Alright. So now we get more hot water. Again. Let's try to get it. Still. Let's get more. So we got a little bit hotter water. It's It's 153 Fahrenheit. Let's try this now. I'm gonna put that again here. Put that here again. Okay. All right. That's it. Whoa! All right. Here we go. Got that. And here we go. Working again.
So what we did exactly is by pumping hot water into the cold water fridge tubing, we melted the ice that was built up due to the lack of use and the freezing fridge temperature. Maybe it's GE fault not insulating the water tubing enough to prevent such thing happening. But looking at the fridge temperature, we can see how low it can get in there and why this could happen again due to the lack of proper insulation in the fridge door. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thanks.